Good morning, students. Based on the previous discussions of what we have discussed, like what are the layouts and what are the different types of components for design part, and what are the different methods and classes that we need for writing your bundle or for writing your instances, for writing your compact activity, all that. Based on that, we see some example of how to display a wallpaper application. So in this session we are going to see a sample wallpaper application. Myself, Dr. Shirisha, Associate Professor, MLR Institute of Technology, Department of CSE. So this is a sample wallpaper application where you can use any type of layout like linear layout or the relative layout, and basically I have taken a linear layout. So this linear layout is used to display all your components sequentially. Then you have written the namespace. The namespace name is Android, and this Android is used for every prefix of the attributes in every component. And schemas.android.com apk. So this is the part that where this namespace is defined, and namespace of tools is also defined in this part. Width and height we are giving as match parent because the complete layout is used to display your wallpaper. Now orientation vertical. So your wallpaper should not display horizontally, it should display vertically. So we have given the orientation as a vertical. And context dot main activity. For every design part you have a main activity dot Java. So for which we are binding them with your design part. So dot main activity. Tools dot ignore hard coded text. So this is ignorable if any hard coded text is given. Then linear layout where we have given width and height, match parent and TP, and image view were the previous purpose. So simple image view we are going to give. For displaying any image in your program, display the image using the image view component. This is the image view, and ID is wallpaper.image. This can be user defined. Download any image from the internet and you can put it in the drawable folder. So that path, that ID is given here, which is again user defined. Layout width and height, as height is wrap content and width is match parent. So as you are using the layout, you need some text to display some heading like sample wallpaper and all, and you need to use the complete width where your wallpaper will occupy the complete width of your layout. So layout margin 16 dp is given. Scale type center crop, so center you need to place. And source you are giving us at the rate drawable MLR-IT. What is this MLR-IT? This is the image name. And at the rate drawable is under resources. You will be having drawable folder. Under this drawable we have mlrit.jpg, but .jpg is not required, only name is enough here. That's a linear layout is closed because his image view is closed here. Okay, now one button ID, set wallpaper button, width, height, margin, and text is set as wallpaper. So button will be given here. So on the top of the button you will have set as wallpaper. This is how it would be. Now for this design part, how to extract all this content, your images and different components, buttons and all, to your XML part, your Java part. So for Java, your application package name is example.wallpaper, for which you are using app compact activity OS bundle by default. But this is the application where we have to display the wallpaper image, for which you need to use this wallpaper manager. Wallpaper manager will manages every image that you are going to deploy into your application. For this, you needed to download the wallpaper and paste it in your drawable folder. So then only your wallpaper manager can access or retrieve that particular image that you have saved and you can run it. So Android annotation suppress linked. This is where based upon the layout, the size of Android application, it differs from one application to other application. Few mobiles will be of lesser resolution, few mobile phones will be of higher resolution. So based upon the resolution of the mobile, your wallpaper should be concise, or it should be dragged up, or it should be adjustable to your resolution type, so for which you are using the suppress link. And view for the view widget, and button for the button widget, and IO exception. And now main activity extends app compact activity. Button B set wallpaper. This is a variable that you have created, the object for the button class. And now on create bundle instance, create set content view order. Until this is most common in all the program. And final wallpaper manager is used because you have used the libraries of wallpaper manager. Your wallpaper manager will be calling a object wallpaper manager and get instance, get application context to retrieve that particular wallpaper into your application. Now, and how to set that wallpaper using the button is just whatever the wallpaper that is being given, that you are extracted and put it in some object be set wallpaper. Now set on click listener when a button is clicked. Okay, now suppress lint resource type public void on click. So what should be viewed? So what should be viewed? Your wallpaper should be viewed. So your wallpaper manager dot set resource. So what type of resource? Drawable resource. Under drawable you have the MLR image. So the name of the image is given. So the name of image R is nothing but here resource. So resource dot drawable dot MLR the image. This completely is given to set your resource. How it should be set? The image should be at the background. So for which we have used the set wallpaper. Okay. As we have given IO exception, so we are trying to give catch. We are trying to catch those exceptions also. So catch of IO exception. And errors can be logged instead of print track trace. So e dot print track trace we have given. So this is for log purpose. And this is how we have given an application. And the one even when you are trying to send the SMS, when you are trying to change the Wi-Fi, we have used Wi-Fi manager, SMS manager. And similarly, for when you wanted to work with the wallpaper, we have to use a set wallpaper also permission. So this uses and hyphen permission has to be used. Uses hyphen permission has to be written inside your manifest file so that it will set the wallpaper. So Android name Android dot permission dot set wallpaper. How to do this we'll see. So this is the main activity.java. Just open your Android Studio with the application. And this is your main activity.java where linear layout and one image view. And this image view is having a wallpaper image. What is this wallpaper image? This is just an ID, user defined ID. Layout width, layout height, anyway you know. And similarly, margin we have given 16 dp. Scale type center crop. Source we have given drawable image. Why the source means you can go to your resources. This is the anatomy where you have resources. Go to resources, go to your drawable folder. What is the image? IMG we have given IMG. Okay, or MLRIT.jpg, whatever. If you want to use MLRIT, then you give MLRIT. If you want to give IMG, you can give IMG. So IMG is given here. This is a preview of that image. And one button width, height and margin, and text is given set as wallpaper. Means on the top of the button you will get a text with the name set as wallpaper. Now go to here XML where you have, go to values where you have two things, colors.xml, strings.xml. Now you need to make the changes in strings.xml and colors.xml. This is a string name or the name of the application, that is wallpaper. If you could see here, you have wallpaper, the same we are trying to give in our strings.xml. And similarly colors.xml, just you double click on this, you will get it. Just click on colors.xml, you will get it. And my resources with the color black and white, those two colors are being given under the resources. And go to your manifest file. Inside the manifest file, you need to give the permissions. What type of permission? Wallpaper permission. So users permission before your application, inside your manifest you have to give it. So users permission, Android name, Android permission dot set wallpaper. Until and unless your settings of your wallpaper is being given, that permission is given, you cannot apply any wallpaper to your phone. So this is what the permission you can give. Then go to your activity. Now here import all the packages: wallpaper manager, suppress link, view button, and one more button, view component, button component, and exception. And here we have taken one object for button class, be set wallpaper. If that is clicked, what happens? So your wallpaper set wallpaper button is being retrieved here. And don't skip this part. Final wallpaper manager dot get instance get application context. Get instance get application context is used to retrieve that particular wallpaper and apply it as a background to your phone. So that instance is required. Set on click listener. When it is been clicked, what is clicked? Set as wallpaper button is clicked. Your wallpaper should be applicable at the background, for which we are trying to give wallpaper manager set resource or dot double dot img. Okay, this is the line which is applicable to your resource. Now see, this is the Android manifest file where we have already given the permission. Now just run your application. See, your Gradle build is running. Okay, launch succeeded. Now you got this page. So here we have given a margin 16 dB. So see the margin, and you got your image. Since img we have given that img image is this, and you got a button set as wallpaper. Now click on the set as wallpaper. Okay. Now go to your home page. Okay, so this is the image that has been set as a wallpaper. Now let us change the image. Okay, let us change it. What I do is, I will change here, MLR IT is there, I will give here, rather than IMG, I will give here MLR IT. Then okay, here also I have made the changes. Okay, now anyway in manifest file we have set wallpaper. Now I am rerunning this. Okay, launch succeeded. Now you got an image which is just a logo of MLR IT, and I'm clicking on set as wallpaper. Okay, now go there. See, the image has been changed. Okay, you got MLR IT. Now what should be done is, you can change any other. Let me put it back to IMG just to differentiate. Okay, just rerun. Apply changes succeeded. So let me stop this. Okay. Set as wallpaper. As I have stopped it, so let me run. You could see that background is shown in the image IMG only. Okay, now it is not MLR ID. So like this, the corresponding changes can be done, and whatever the wallpaper you can put, that can be set easily by using this set wallpaper. Okay, hope you all understood. Thank you all.